Who is George Samuel Clason, author of The Richest Man in Babylon? When was The Richest Man in Babylon published? 1926. Where is Babylon located? Iraq, near Baghdad. The book opens with what two characters? Dancer, the cherry builder, and Copy, the musician. Why weren't Dancer and Copy wealthy? They never sought out the secret to wealth. They were looking in the wrong places. Arkad's original job? Scribe. Who was Arkad's mentor? Gilgamesh, who was a very rich man. Gilgamesh's secret to wealth? A part of all you earn is yours to keep. Advised him to save nothing less than 1/10 of his earnings so the money could be put to work earning interest. Arkad's first investment? Brickmaker who went to the Phoenicians to buy jewels. Investment failed. Arkad's second investment? With Edgar the shield maker who used it to buy materials. Investment failed because he squandered his money on desires. After 2 years, Arkad mastered Gilgamesh's lessons, and what did Gilgamesh do? Hired him as a manager of his estate in Nippur. Who was the king of Babylon? Sargon of Akkad. What did the king of Babylon, Sargon of Akkad, ask the royal chancellor? Why the kingdom was poor and only a few of the citizens were wealthy. Why was the kingdom of Babylon poor? 1. Not enough jobs. 2. People didn't have enough money to buy what they wanted to. 3. Farmers couldn't make enough selling their produce to continue farming. 7 cures to a lean purse. 1. Start thy purse to fattening. 2. Control thy expenditures. 3. Make thy gold multiply. 4. Guard thy treasures from loss. 5. Make of thy dwelling a profitable investment. 6. Ensure a future income. 7. Increase thy ability to earn. What did Arkad tell men to do if they respected themselves? 1. Pay debts promptly and don't stay in debt. 2. Take care of your family. 3. Make a will. 4. Have compassion upon those less fortunate. Who does Arkad say the goddess of luck smiles upon? Those that work hard, save their money, and invest well. She does not patronize gamblers. How can good luck be enticed? By accepting opportunity. Who discusses the 5 laws of gold told to him by Arkad's son Nemather in Nineveh? Kalabab. 5 laws of gold. Rodin, a spearmaker, sought the advice of who after receiving 50 gold pieces from the king? Methon, the gold lender of Babylon. Rodin's sister asks him to do what with his money? Help her husband, Ahriman, to become a wealthy merchant. 3 classes of borrowers. 1. Those who promise more financial security than they borrow. 2. Those who borrow based on their capacity to earn and ability to pay you back. 3. Those who have neither property nor assured earning capacity. Safest loans have collateral worth more than the loan. Who guarded the gates of the wall of Babylon? Old Dancer. How can we guard ourselves today against unexpected tragedies? Insurance, savings accounts, dependable investments. Who owes money to Dabazer, the camel trader? Arkad. What was Dabazer in Syria? A slave. Fictional professor of archaeology that translated the clay tablets from Babylon that told the story of Dabazer? Alfred H. Shrewsbury. Who was the luckiest man in Babylon? Sharunada, merchant prince. Who was Sharunada's long-term business partner? Aradgula. Who was Sharunata riding with during the caravan? Arkad Gula's grandson Hayden Gula. What does Hayden think rich men should do? Live extravagantly, and that work is for slaves. When Sharunata was a slave, he had two very different friends. What were their names? 1. Makito liked to do good work because work had brought him all the good things in this life. 2. Zapato didn't want to do hard work for someone else. What guard told Sharunata to impress the people at the slave auction to avoid being a bricklayer building the walls of Babylon? Godoso. Who purchased Sharunata? A baker, Nananade. After learning all he could about baking, what did Sharunata do? Created a plan to market baked goods throughout the city and make more money for his master. Who was one of Sharunata's loyal customers that praised his industrious spirit and ability to market baked goods? Arkad Gula, another slave about to buy his freedom. Sharunata was blank away by his master. Gambled. Who bought Sharunata's freedom? Arkad Gula, so they could become partners. After hearing Sharunata's story, what does Hayden vow to do? Live a more humble life and work hard.